Shadow is not. Hey guys, we're getting crazy today. Hey puppy. Oh. I made them hyper. Oh gosh. Oh, run.
Don't even stand near it. Don't even dare.
Ah, right there.
Don't even dare do it.
Okay. I'm scared. Also, guys, check out Cara's channel. I might just put the name in the description below, guys. So, scratchy, scratch.
What are you doing, Bubba? Let your sister plug in her phone while you're playing on yours.
So, guys.
Chloe, plug in your phone with your brother's charger.
Hey,
What?
can you get me Minecraft?
What?
Can you get me Minecraft?
I don't have Minecraft.
No, I mean get it for me.
No.
Please.
No.
It's like $6.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Please.
I can't. I don't have it.
Please.
I don't have it, Isaac.
I can download it on your phone
No.
without buying it.
No.
I can't get free on this phone though.
I don't want Minecraft.
How am I going to record Minecraft videos?
We'll have to wait till you get home.
I'll have to record on my PS3.
I guess you'll have... Chloe, did you plug in your phone? Alright.
Meow, 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 Whoa. Go. Oh. Help. I can get it free though. There's a place. I think I need to download though. Help me. Save me. I'm so much licking on my Oh no!
Calm down, guys. Ray's trying to sleep.
Oh. Help me. No, please.
Isaac, I know something we can do. We can put a diaper on Blue.
Help.
Wait, he can be a little ghost.
Hurry, make a diaper on him. Put the diaper on him. Hurry, trap him. Trap him.
He's Elsa, look.
Trap him.
I'd be easy with him
No.
because he will bite.
Isaac, only put it on his butt. Like that, like I just done.
That's Elsa.
This is Elsa.
That's a nightmare,
She's a
actually.
girl.
Aw, nightmare.
Nightmare.
See you, CP, bye. Report CPs.
Yeah.
Report CPs, the baby.
No.
Oh, good night.
Help me. I'm gonna die. Oh, shoot. No.
Oh, look how pretty.
Talk like duck. Oh, this is disgusting.
Oh no, I think your dad will get mad because he made Isaac take his off.
Oh.
Because he doesn't want dog hair all over it. I know it would be fun, but
My
your dad
mom
says,
right here.
I know.
Where's your hair? Here, you can have your own hair.
I know your dad's picky. He said it would be hard to get the dog hair out.
Stop, Bloomer.
Quit, Bloomer. Look at the pretty mirrors. Look at the pretty mirrors. Mirror. I can't get her to turn around.
Nightmare.
Trying to get a picture of her. Oh.
Nightmare. Nightmare. Put it on.
So, bye guys. This has been my craziest video.
She jumped out of it.
Bye. Bye. Shadows night. Goodbye.